succeed, there is always something you can do and succeed at. While there is life, there is hope.
Alright, hello everybody, now welcome back into the Bellpods podcast. So actually we are focusing on Web3, blockchain and crypto market, and all of our audio posts will be the influencers and also the founders on the blockchain space. So currently I'm in Bali currently, so I'm sorry for my audience who there always in speak Bahasa, because now my guest is from Vietnam and he can speak English. And here he goes, because we will talk about the OKX. Alright, hello.
Hello.
Milan, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good also. Right, it's very amazing to come to Indonesia. And yeah, by the way, how come you came to Indonesia currently?
I've been living here for like 4 or 5 years, but back and forth.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, but I've been living in Jakarta though.
Oh, Jakarta also,
Yeah.
right, okay.
So this is my third time being in Bali.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so all for other times are for business, including this time as well.
All right, okay, Milan. So I heard that you are now being the influencer of the OKX, right?
Yes.
I thought that like third biggest or the second biggest exchange in the world. And what do you think about this crypto space actually? Because now you are become the influencer, right? So what do you think? Is there any like something that you see? All right, this is the futures, or I thought that this is kind of the new things. What do you think about that?
I myself have been trading for like years. I think probably 4 or 5 years.
Oh, 4 or 5 years.
Yes,
okay.
not so long, but not too new as well.
Okay.
So I'm a big believer in crypto.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
and of course I had my experience, bad and good as well.
In trading, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Same with me. You would
Yes,
say, yeah.
and I have to be believing in this to be the future of crypto of finance.
Oh, in finance.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
So,
okay.
and my experience, I have been trading with a lot of different exchanges.
Oh, different.
But
yes,
now
okay.
that now that I have a chance to be an influencer for OKX,
Okay.
I feel there are a lot of like features that in other exchanges don't have.
Okay.
Yeah, and I feel OKX has been treating me a lot of special treatment.
Oh, special treatment.
Yes,
for you. Right.
just like last month, I was invited to Singapore and to go to Formula One.
Oh, nice. For Formula One, yeah. McLaren teams?
Yes, McLaren team.
Okay.
Because OKX is sponsored.
Sponsor for that?
Yeah, I think for years already for McLaren.
Oh, 4 years already?
4 years,
okay.
yes. So I had like a very special memory during that trip.
Okay.
Watching the lively races,
Okay.
and especially the team McLaren won
Okay.
that last month.
All right.
So it was very, very special for me.
Yeah, because you know, like OKX itself, are sponsors for many a big club. Just like I thought that it's Manchester City, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It's APL, English Premier League.
Yeah.
I thought that last year they are champions, and the other one is like in golf, right?
Yes.
They are for like I would say.
Majesty.
Oh, Majesty,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, so as the influencer from the OKX stuff, do you think it is still good business?
Good business, you mean for influencers, right?
For the exchange?
For the exchange, of course. All exchanges have different influencers to promote for their exchanges.
Okay.
For new coins, for like it's always been there. So I think always benefits to the exchanges to have more influencers.
Okay, so we know now, like most influencers is go to others, maybe social, right? Let's say like a TikTok, like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, maybe like a Discord, maybe, I don't know. But in your side, all these social media, is there like different tastes for their own audience like that? And is there for the influencer itself, maybe they are focused on one only platforms, which one they are very have a patience in every social media? What do you think about it?
I think different platform has different type of audience, yes, because it's serving a different purpose.
Okay.
Like for YouTube, it's like more longer videos.
Longer videos.
Yeah,
okay.
educational. And for Instagram or TikTok, it's like shorter videos. It's like reels and TikTok and clips. So it's like shorter, and it's more like for fun or short.
For entertainment.
Yes.
Okay.
Or short educational purpose. Like
only 1 minute, right?
Yeah, 1 minute.
I mean, 1 minute to explain everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if someone wants to have like a more like deeper knowledge about a topic, so they would probably go on YouTube or Discord. But I think, for example, in Vietnam, in my country, not a lot of people knows about Discord.
Oh, Discord, no.
Yeah,
okay.
it's more like more people like in deeper in crypto.
Okay.
Normal people who don't trade probably don't know about Discord.
All right. Okay. By the way, you're from Vietnam, right?
Yes.
And you said that you have been in Indonesia, especially in Jakarta, for works. So, what actually before your works, after that jump into the crypto markets, what did you do before?
I've been entrepreneur.
Entrepreneurs.
I've been working in different areas.
Okay.
And before that, I also be an influencer in Vietnam as well. But since the COVID, I think the COVID hit in 2019.
19, 20, like 2021, yeah. Like 2 years, right?
Yeah, I don't know about here in Indo, but in Vietnam, oh yes, I had 1 year in Indo, in Jakarta, that was locked down. And then I traveled to Vietnam as well, and we had like also like 1 year or half a year that we couldn't go out of the house at all. And so that's why when I couldn't do anything.
Yeah, you jump into the crypto, right?
Yes, and then at that time it was like the Dogecoin. Everyone was like talking about it on social medias, like on Facebook, on TikTok, and like showing their gains, the big gains. And then that's why I got the attention. It got me the attention, and then I got in the crypto, and I deep dive into it, and I invested in it.
Yeah.
And how do I say? Maybe at first, it was so trend, and I gained a bit, but then the market crashed after that. Yes. So I had my experience from there as well.
All right, because what I thought that when it's COVID, all the market price is goes up. Even like S&P, NSA, even the crypto itself, right? I thought that Bitcoin at the time reached to 69, right?
Yeah,
69.
all-time high at the time.
At the time, right? 69,000, right?
Yeah.
So I thought that the report also from Bellpods, who was the control of this crypto market in Indonesia, they said it's like 800 trillion rupiah at the time, 2021.
Is it like $69,000?
No, it's like it's million. It's million.
Oh, then you mean the capital?
Yeah, the money inflows. The money inflows into the crypto.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
So at the time, the market from the stock, it's move. Market from the stock move to the crypto at the time.
Like just like me, how I got to know crypto at that time, and then new investor coming in.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like me, because no one was doing anything. Everyone was locked down all over the world.
So what you're doing is just only in your computer and doing something.
Yeah.
What's get earning from you? Yeah. So you do trading, right?
Yes. And
So this information is coming from who? I mean, is that coming from like you watch the YouTube or you scroll the Instagram so you can find any information, or you know somebody, your friends who playing crypto before, and what's the will bring you there?
Yeah, I think because it was a trend there.
Oh, trend.
It was the bull market, right? So,
Okay.
so everyone was talking about it. And then my friends also, they were teaching me how to first like to
Oh,
trade.
first trade, yeah.
Yeah.
You do DEX or checks the first time?
Chart
DEX or checks? Checks?
checks.
Centralized exchange.
Oh, centralized. I think centralized.
You use OKX the first time?
Probably other exchanges.
Other exchanges, oh, okay.
Yeah,
right.
when I didn't know about OKX.
Okay, so after that, like 2 years or...
Yeah,
Yeah.
because the features on other exchanges are not the same as OKX. But now I fully moved to OKX. Even before I became the influencer.
All right, okay. The new technology who can disrupt the current technology that we have now. That's why you call it is Web 2, right? And we are moving to the Web 3. So the current crypto market, actually, what do you think about it?
I think the current market, crypto is not just crypto anymore, because it's becoming the new finance. Because you look now, everyone is investing, and even in the coins, even in the government is like backing with the regulation. In some countries, of course, not all. And it has to becomes like one of the main stream of investment for people now, because it's growing.
Okay, it's growing now.
Yeah, it's growing, and my opinion, in the future, even it can be growing to 100,000 per Bitcoin. I don't know exactly how much.
Okay, so you mean that Bitcoin is the mothers of the coin, right? So it can be make if the price is so high, so the industry is still alive.
Yes.
That's you would like to say, right?
Yes.
So what the technology itself, it can be make a disrupt to the current technology that we have now.
Yes, of course. It has to serve the human purposes, and the coins, the tokens, and the blockchain has to have technology to be able to survive or grow in 10 years or 20 years.
Okay.
Yeah. Except the meme coins, though. The meme coins, maybe a lot of investors, they don't care about the technology. They only care about making money or having fun or being relevant.
All right. Okay. So you means that the potential for this crypto itself, it can make some changes into our environment and our community, right?
Yes.
So actually, the decentralized thinking in the crypto and blockchain, that's the fundamental of the how this technology will bring into the humans era currently, right? So yeah, of course, the mostly things that will be disrupted is about the financial, which we know the financial in traditional and modern side is very different. And if you look at all the technology and also the products that are resulting by this Bitcoin and its friends, we call it all of them is a blockchain. It's revolutionary for the apps itself. So do you think that all these decentralized apps can bring more people come into there, or what?
I don't get what are your questions. Can you repeat?
Can we do just like the apps, the centralized apps, it can be make a change to the new things that develop right now. Let's say like YouTube. Is there any kind of decentralized to change the YouTube into Web3, or like YouTube, like Instagram, like a Facebook? Is there will be replaced to another platform using the Web3 or not?
I think all the technology are changing every day. And Web3 will be, it's just, Web3 will be developing, and we don't know what will be replacing for Instagram and Facebook.
If you compare like Indonesians and Vietnam's market, especially in the Web3, what do you think about the differences of these two countries? It's similar, or like Vietnam is better than Indonesia? What do you think about it?
I think in terms of Web3, Vietnam probably not a lot of people know about Web3. Like normal people who don't trade, they don't know about Web3, because we're quite a little bit behind more than Indonesia.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
In terms of traders, even traders, I think more male than women in Vietnam. Yeah. So, what was the question? Sorry.
What do you think about the differences in Indonesian's market and Vietnam itself? Which one is like better?
Better?
Yeah.
In terms of market?
Yeah, maybe we can say that developers, the users, the traders, the community, which one is the biggest one?
I think in terms of community, the traders, the numbers in Vietnam are so high, the trading volume are so high. It's one of the biggest market in the world right now, like the community.
All right.
Yeah, but in terms of gender, so women are trading less than men.
Of course, yeah.
I don't know about Indonesia. I think Indonesia probably it's more open, and regulation is more like supporting to the crypto market.
Yeah, of course. Actually, Indonesia currently we have like 35 exchanges already as the exchange Indonesia. So I thought that because of these old regulations, we roughly like 20 million now the traders. Over like 285 millions, so it's just only like 2%, the traders in Indonesia only.
Yeah.
So I thought that this is still a small amount, right? Like 2%. So I thought that it will be growing faster, like 5 or 10 years later. Maybe let's say like 2% to 10%. I thought that it's a big number for 10 years later. But we have to do something, how to make these people come into the Web3 or trading exchange crypto itself. Do you think what we have to do, like us, maybe like you as influencers, and I also the educators in YouTube, what do you think? What we can do for them?
I think what we can do is like we can be more, like speak more about Web3, about the technology, about crypto, blockchain, and its technology. Vietnam is quite growing the market, but as I said before, still the number is still small compared to the numbers of the people we have.
Do you have the data? That's I say like Indonesia like 20 million only.
I don't have the exact number.
Okay.
But the community in Vietnam, I think it's the trading volume is like number 2 or number 3 in the world.
Oh, number 3 in the world.
Yes,
oh, okay.
bigger than Indonesia. And I think the number of wells also more than Indonesia.
Okay, even from the statistic, like Indonesians now population is the fourth ranking in the world,
Yeah,
right? But
yeah.
I thought the Vietnam is
Yes, our population is only like roughly like 100 million.
100 million, right?
Yeah, and Indonesian is 300 million.
Yeah, almost 300 million.
Yeah.
So it's like 1/3 there,
Yes,
but from your populations.
Yeah.
But the trading volume is
Yes.
biggest than Indonesia, right?
Yeah, surprisingly.
So I thought that is show us that Vietnam's is more open-minded.
They are
Yeah.
open-minded. Maybe they like to trade, but in terms of regulation, we are not supported by the government as well.
Oh, all right. But here is already supported.
Yes,
Yeah.
and then I can see that like you said, 35 exchanges here.
Yeah.
We do not have any like supported exchanges.
Oh, not yet. But do you have any now like a local exchange there?
No, we don't
Oh
have.
no. Okay. So mostly of them, what they use is like the other exchange or OKX. What do you think about it?
Yes, we have using a few exchanges, but we have a few problems as well. Like
Okay.
regulation is not supporting. That's why, and then with fiat selling.
Oh, so you mean that cannot do off-ramp and on-ramp on
not
dome, right?
Yes,
Dome.
Vietnam dong. So it's not. We cannot trade it like
Oh.
very openly.
So how you, I mean, for exchange, how do you do it? How you change your money to some crypto like BTC or ETH? How?
Everything we have to do is like on the exchange. And for me, for example, I have different accounts, Indonesian accounts.
Oh, you have Indonesian account?
Yes, because I've been living here.
Okay. So how about the other Vietnams?
I think they don't put too much cash in their accounts, I think.
Oh, okay.
My friends probably like $100,000 or something. So it's still okay. But if it's too high, then the government probably will notice and maybe question.
Oh.
Like where the money, maybe they're afraid of money laundering.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so working as traders there might face more problems than Indonesia.
All right. So actually, if you compare for the exchange itself, let's say like a Binance, like a Coinbase, OKX, GetIO, whatever that. Which is the best you think about this exchange, and what do you think something different? I mean, which is differences of this exchange?
To be honest, I used Binance in the past.
Okay.
And now that I told you that I moved completely to OKX because of the features, and now that I've become KOL, I get more privilege.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For example, referral code is everyone knows about referral code.
Oh, referral codes.
Yeah.
Okay.
But there's one more thing, I like copy trading.
Okay, trading.
Yeah, you become a trader, a lead trader in OKX, and then other traders can just look it up on the app and then just click copy trades, and then whatever position you have, create position, and then they will just copy it.
Oh,
And
right.
then we have the profit sharing, like 8 to 10%.
Okay,
I get
so it's nice to be QL on QX. I mean, like you get the privilege to maybe like events.
yes,
Yeah.
all the events, international flying
Just like
out.
you said before, you are joining for the F1 in
Yes.
Singapore event, right?
Yeah.
And the other one?
And the other one is like
you say that to Manchester City.
yes, Manchester City.
Oh, okay.
In London next
England.
year.
Oh, next year.
Yeah. I think they always have matches, but like I'm planning to go like next year, probably May, June, something like that. And the privilege is like you get to go there. It's all sponsored by OKX.
Oh, nice.
Tickets, hotel, and everything. And maybe you're gonna have a chance to meet the football
players, like Haaland,
and other players as well.
Alright, I love the Manchester City.
You love them?
Yeah, I find so.
You should join OKX.
Of course, I joined OKX KOL, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so is there any like suggestions that maybe you can tell to this podcast, right, into the Bellpods? Maybe there are some influencers out there wants to join being the KOL of OKX. Do you have any suggestions how to make a deal with them?
Make a deal with OKX?
Yes.
I think they can contact me.
Oh,
I can show them how.
All right. Okay, so I mean, okay, so just only contact you, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you contact you, there must be contact me.
Yes. Please put a link, a referral code there.
Okay.
Under the YouTube channel video.
Because actually you came from Vietnam, right? And of course we have in East Asia, Southeast Asia, we have Malaysia, we have Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, Timor-Leste. I don't know. I thought that OKX itself, they should have their own influencers for each country, right? So I'm asking you, in Vietnam itself, for the KOL, is it only you for OKX or have another?
I think OKX has so many KOLs that I cannot even keep tracks of it. But one of the perks that being a KOL for OKX is like you get to meet a lot of people, international. Like at an event, you can meet people from Brazil or US or Russia or anywhere. Like last time in Singapore, I came to OKX office, and because it was like token 2049 week, so everyone flew in, and it's like 5,000 people were at the event.
Oh, 5,000.
Yeah, even more.
Okay.
So you get to meet all kind of people there, and sharing the same ideas, the same like passion about crypto. And different countries in the world. But I think from Vietnam, probably I haven't met a lot.
Oh, haven't met a lot.
Yeah, because I'm still like more like Indonesian team.
Oh, more like Indonesian team.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm flying back and forth.
So in Indonesia itself, do you have any like strong connection with the others KOL?
Yeah, I have a few friends from the crypto world. Yeah.
No, I mean Indonesia only.
Yeah, Indonesian.
Oh, you have it.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe you know like Steven.
Oh, Steven and stuff.
Yeah.
I know. Okay.
Yeah, and a few more. But I met during my trip as well.
Okay. So if any people's like newcomers, I mean, maybe he don't know how to trade, right? He don't know also crypto, but he famous in maybe in YouTube or in TikTok. Do you have a plan to bring them and teach them how become the KOL for the OKX?
I think famous will play a big part to be a KOL for OKX. I don't know, but at least you have to know about crypto and to know how to trade. But I think it's quite easy.
Oh, it's quite easy.
Yeah. For me, it's like if a newcomer, you should invest in top coin to know, like getting to know about trading first, big steps, so you will not have too many risk of losing your assets. And after you getting to know the market, how to trade, and you dig deeper, into this world, and maybe there's a chance for you, OKX to know and realize and then to recruit you as a OKL.
Okay. So in terms of easy, so you mean learning about the crypto, blockchain, and Web3, it's easy from your side?
I think it's quite complicated at first, but once you know it, once you like spend time to get to know crypto, Web3, and I think it's okay.
You mean it's not just like you make a new code or AI system. It's not like that, right? It's just only like you understand the fundamental of this blockchain, how the A transfer to B, how the words is transferred, and also the main thing is how in exchange you can like just buy or sells. That's kind easy task, right?
Yeah. I think probably the younger people would easily understand it, to how to do it. Mostly the young people are trading right now. In Vietnam, I think. In Vietnam, probably the older generation would probably find it harder to join this new Web3 revolution area.
But you know that we have the paradox situation currently right now. What I'm saying paradox is like this. That you say the youngers, like Gen Z, right? They understand to operate. They understand, example, how to open an account, right? They can do just like sell and buy. But the problem is they don't have much money to trade, right? But in the other side, let's say they are parents or the older guys, maybe like 20 years older than them, which means maybe they are not so good in technology. Even for login itself, they are very hard, right? Even how to buy and sell the coin, even they don't know the coin that they sell, what is that, even they don't know. But you know, they have money. They have a lot of money. So we have two different kinds of these things, right? We have to combine this, how to make the youngest guys have much money and the oldest guys to operate, to maybe to know how in exchange. So we need education, right? For these two types, right?
The thing is to think about crypto and trading is like for the older generation, they think about it very complicated and difficult. Even my dad asked me how to trade, and I cannot just explain to him like through a phone. So I have to come to him and then explain it.
Eyes to eyes.
Eyes to eyes, and step by step.
Step by step.
Yeah. So I don't know about Indonesia, but in Vietnam, like the older
I thought
generation,
for the old generations, right?
It's so difficult for them. So that's why I think we need more simple KOL, like to explain it more simple, how to do it step by step. So for them to be able to understand and join this crypto market.
Yeah, because I thought in some kind of culture, Indonesian and Vietnamese, I saw that we have one saying. It you know MLM, multi-level marketing. Do you know about it? Yeah. I have a lot of information that Vietnamese love MLM. In Indonesia also same. Also same. So who love this MLM is mostly the oldest. The oldest.
Baby boomers.
Yeah, baby boomers. Yeah, they love it because what they say is investment. Example, because somehow they are retirement, right? So they don't know put their money, how to gain their money without work. So they love to use this MLM. Same Indonesian and also Vietnam. And what I'm thinking is how to bring these old people came to the exchange. But the technology itself is the borders, yeah, it's the borders for them to take in. So, do you have any idea how to make it these two kind of things can work together?
The two kind of things can work together.
Like MLM and exchange, how to make this?
I think the exchanges need to make more simple app and easy app for them to understand, because they don't even know how to use a phone. Some people.
Okay.
Yeah, they don't even know how to use a phone, so it's very complicated. The current.
So what if we use like an agent?
Agent.
Yeah. Like an MLM is use agent, right?
Yeah.
Because they are not selling and buying directly to the company. They use agents to buy and sell.
But the problem is through agent there will be scam. There will be like even
yeah. That's the problem also, right?
Problem for them as well. And they already feel very hesitant to join something that they don't know. So it will be better if the system, the market will be supported by the government regulation, so they will be more trusted to trust and to be investing more time and effort to like deep dive into this, because now it's very hesitant. Like Vietnamese market, the people, especially the old people, because they think, oh, this is not supported by the government, so they do not even try.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
maybe in Vietnam, as you said, that it's still illegal, and the government still.
It's not really illegal, but it's
not
legal. It's like
gray area.
Yes.
It's gray area. Okay, but Indonesia itself is already legal.
Yeah,
it's already legal. I mean, the exchange itself is already regulated, but the significance of the users' growth is not too exponential.
To what?
It's not too exponential. Even the government is already marked that crypto is already white area.
Yeah.
All right. So both of us know how the technology in blockchain and crypto always change, right? Even in years, in minutes, itself always change. So the idea of this Web3 actually adoptions for the current problems in the Web2 world. Let's say in the first time we are going to the first narrative is about DeFi, right? The centralized finance. Because the first time we use crypto as the transfer only, right? Cash to cash, peer to peer payment system. That's the first era of the blockchain.
Yeah.
And the second era, we are going to the DeFi, which means the decentralized finance that bring the ecosystems in banks to the blockchain.
Yeah.
That's why we can do for loans, borrowing, staking, and other things, right? So after this DeFi, we move again to the NFT, non-fungible token, right? We sell, so many people selling cartoons, selling digital arts, right? And
or music.
So many also, right?
So many.
After that, we move again to the metaverse, right? We already know some project on metaverse, and move again. Currently, we are in the market. So many narrative. Let's say DeepIn, right? Decentralized infrastructure, and the other one is DI, decentralized AI, and we also know about the RWA, the real assets world, right? So this narrative will bring more people to join the blockchain. So what do you think about this changing of the narrative using the blockchain technology? What do you think about it?
I think every era has serving its own the benefits or the interests of the people at that time, and then the interest change, and so the era change, the focus is changed, but they're still there. The main DeFi or NFT, the main coins or tokens are still there. Yeah, but I think one of the main type of coins that I really think it's important, it's MEMECOIN as well.
Okay.
Yeah, in every, I think every time of the day, you look on the top 30 coins.
It's big.
Have the top 30 coins that has the big volumes. 10 of them are meme coins.
All right.
Yeah, so I think meme coins are also like very important, and is the future of the crypto market.
Yeah, because on my side itself, because I'm also a developer, the technology, I saw that this meme actually not doing the technology, right?
Yeah.
We compare, like as I said before, like decentralized infrastructure, like decentralized AI. Of course, they use the machines, they use the protocol, they use the system, they use the blockchain technology there. But compared to meme, there's nothing, right?
There's nothing. Yeah. But to be honest, the investor, the newcomers, they don't even care about the technology.
Yeah.
They don't care about the blockchain being a little bit faster or a little bit more private. They don't care about that. All they care about it's being on trend, making money, being relevant, like having fun.
Very fun. I mean, that, of course, I agree with you that most of people, maybe like 80% of them, they don't care about the technology itself.
Yeah, like when we come into this market, the first purpose is to make money.
To make money. How to get your money.
How to make the big gains.
Yeah. And you think that these main tokens can do that?
Yes, of course. It has proven itself. Like, for example, Dogecoin or Shiba, it has been proven that the market cap can be evaluated about billions of dollars. 50, 20, or maybe $50 billion in the futures. It has proven itself, and it has been here for ages, and it will be coming back on trend years after years, season after seasons.
Yeah. But do you think that, like let's say like a Doge or a Shiba, right?
Yeah.
It's already like 5 years. They are still in the market.
Yeah.
But
it's still in the top coin.
Top coin, right?
Doge. Yeah.
But if you look back, maybe like 1,000 more already created the main coin.
Yeah,
but
like
only these two coin is going up. So what I'm thinking is, we have to be careful also, right? We have to
careful about investment.
To find more resource which this meme will be go up or not, because if not grow, it's rock.
Yeah.
Right. It's
delist, and then we're gonna lose our assets.
So
that's why we have to do our own research before we invest in something.
But doing this research of this meme, what you see? I mean, there is no usage, there is no technology, there is no blockchain,
but
even they don't have any promising, right?
Yeah.
But it's just only community, right?
Yes, community.
Community.
But that's what we are believing in, and then especially we have someone big supporting that meme coin.
Yeah, let's say like a Doge is supported by the Elon, right?
Yeah. So
Shiba, I thought it's by Fitag,
Yeah. So the community is big, so it still have a potential of growing. And
so now, like a new memes, who behind it?
Which one you're talking about? I think there are a lot of new memes.
Yeah, maybe like a top 10 of them, like a ham or like a
hamsters or something.
Like Wave coin, like Node coin.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them, but what I'm thinking is, there is no behind them. Only like a community who just like fun to pump down, they fun like that. So that's the growing the community based on it.
Yeah.
Actually, the technology itself, and you said is not really right.
Yeah. They don't care about the technology. So it's all about fun and making money, and especially if you still see that you believe that the community is big and the price can go up, and you invest in it and just take a profit when the price already up. But for me, I would not keep it for a long time for long investment plans. For meme coins, I mean.
For MEMECOIN, it's like a short time,
short.
Okay. So currently that all this MEMECOIN, right? Mostly in Solana.
Yeah.
Mostly in Solana, and my friends say that maybe you can find a new meme in 1 minute. In every minute you find a new one.
But that's the problem. People want to have multiply their assets by 100 or 1,000 times. That's the risk they're willing to take to invest in, and then wait for it to make 100 times their assets. So.
Yeah. My friend said example they have 20 memes, right?
Yeah.
And he invests like 100 from each. Right?
Yeah.
So he spent like $2,000, and she said to me he wait 1 month, all those maybe die. Only one is growing up, but he can give back 30 times.
Yeah, it's like a lottery.
Like a lottery. Yeah. So you put all money into the all numbers, and once your numbers is big, so that's you make you wealthy growth, right?
But everyone has their own way of investing. For them, for people who likes to play investing in meme coins, it's like for playing lottery or casino. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
So,
but for me, I think mostly lose.
Mostly lose,
because the market cap is still small. So they have a chance to grow. But to be honest, just like you said before, 1,000 of meme coins are being created.
Yeah. We don't know which one is the true, which one is the scam. We don't know.
Only the big meme coins are still alive and big Doge, Shiba. So.
But you say it's you said the top coin, right?
Yeah.
It's already listed on the exchange. Which means actually this exchange is already second market, right?
Yeah.
I mean that's second seasons.
Second season.
And the first seasons is the pre-sales, right?
Pre-sales.
Let's say in the pump funds, that's the famous one in the Solana DEX, right?
Yeah.
That's the first market. After they got more liquidity, they go to the second market, which is going to the checks, right?
Yeah.
But if we compare for the price itself, you can begin from 0.0001.
Yeah.
After the second market, you can get a 0.01.
Yeah, already
so it's thousands times.
Yeah.
So what I'm thinking is why I'm not getting into the first step. Right.
But that's the hook. That's what they want you to do, to invest in the first steps. So after they list on an exchange, even when the price went down for 100 times, people from the have been investing in the first step already still have profits. Yeah, because the price already multiplied by 100 times. So even if they minus 90%, so it's still making profits. But that's the hook for the new investor to invest in the first step.
Okay, Milan. I thought that it's not for us talking about this meme, this technology in crypto, and also how people's going into the market. So I thought that OKX is already made a lot of things, and they are also spend much money into the sports like footballs, cars, to golf and other things. I don't know. So I thought that OKX will be promising for the exchange.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So that's all. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much for today.
Yeah, all right, go.